So I am headed to my cardiac rehab, and I'm late on my first day. The traffic was so bad. Down one flight, down two flights, down three flights, down four flights, and I remember how to get there, so it shouldn't take me that long. It's a shame that I'm always late. I'll be here a little earlier tomorrow. My heart really did move. Not so much. Maybe, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I pretty much have to give no pressure, everything else.
If y'all are in the 11 o'clock class, if you could come on into the education, we'll check you in there. Since a lot of people are trying to recover in here. Thank you.
Sometimes they grab.
Free wax, Martin. You get a free wax.
Free wax.
You're welcome.
I'm already red.
Women pay good money for that, Martin.
Well,
You're welcome.
when I had my cancer, I had paper stickers. Because the skin came off wet.
Oh, yeah.
How you finish, y'all? That was my first day. I was in here with a bunch of old people, but that's the consequences of having a heart attack. Let me use the restroom. Dang, I think I messed up the restroom. I did. Use the restroom before I leave. And then I'm headed to work. The restroom. I'll be right. So I don't know if I said this, but it's the only reason. I think that part did. Yeah. The only reason I'm taking the stairs is to try to strengthen my heart. They say walking aerobic exercise is better for you. So I'm trying to get as much in as possible. I'm hot, y'all. She told me to drink some water too, so I brought my water with me. So I drank this on my drive to work. See you guys tomorrow for part 2.